Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to create in my traveler's notebook the setup for the month of June. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. It will help my channel grow as well. And for this month, I will create the page in purple and with a lot of flowers. I thought about it to make the boxes that I want to use with a ruler, but then I found it a little bit um, more beautiful just to draw the lines, like it makes it more easy to watch. And I think that's what I create in this month, an easy, flowery month with a lot of sun, I hope. May is different this year. Some days we have perfect sun with um, yeah, good weather, and you can really sit in the sun and enjoy it. But we have days with a lot of clouds, and that's even is a little bit chilly for the time of the year. So the global warning didn't reach the Netherlands. That's what we all say in the streets. It's no, I don't know what's happening, but the global warning on the global warming is didn't arrive over here. And I'm coloring the boxes a bit purple as well. I didn't put the video on a faster. This is just the way I'm coloring in the boxes. And now I can use, of course, I always use a napkin around my finger, but in this case, I can be more effective to the lines in the corners than with my finger. I'm always going over it. And as you see, I used four boxes. One is for my goals, one is for my habit tracker, and this one will be for all the birthdays I have in June. That will be a lot of birthdays in the month of June. We have them also in May, a lot of birthdays, and till the half of July, and then it's quiet for a while. We don't have um, in August only 2 or 3 birthdays. September we don't have any birthdays. We need to go to, but um, this is yeah, I think six or seven birthdays. And this is my habit tracker. Um, I started at the end, so that's a little bit difficult with always with the counting, because I'm always very afraid that I forget one date, and I'm using for the weekends a different color because they were different, and you know you might do or just don't do what you want um, in these habits. And what kind of habits do I track? I'm putting sports because I think I need to do exercises. I put it in every month. I have that habit, and it's still not in my system. And the other one is reading. I love to read. I read a lot, but my difficulty is when I quit, when I'm ending a book. I'm not quite very fast in starting a new book. So I'm try with this system to hope it to get more in my system that I can pick up just a new book. And the last one is not using sugar. That will be the most tricky one. And for my goals in May, I wanted to lose 2 kilos, so 4 pounds. But nah, that didn't succeed totally. There is still 1 kilogram, so 2 pounds to go. So that for that reason, I need the sports as well. And I'm going over to the spread. Of course, I will continue on the spread of June, but this is my weekly spread. But I'm going to use some stickers with flowers, and I'm afraid that I feel the wobbling of the stickers in my drawings over here. And this is just the daily boxes with already with some flowers in it. I make two lines so that you can't see which is the straight one and which is the wobbly one. And I make a little mistake, as you see. And this is the 5 boxes. And I have a very sore middle finger. That's really stupid because I have to show it. Then you see the sign you are not allowed to see. But I have a sore middle finger, and I can feel it in my finger that it's going to hurt. And for that reason, my writing down the days isn't as beautiful as I planned. It's more like if my son would write it down in primary school. And these are the flowers. I got a new package of. I bought a new package of flowers, and I'm going to use the purple ones. And it's always so nice if you receive something new, flowers or something like that, then you always have the feeling, oh, what am I going to do with it? And in this case, I thought about why I'm not going to use them in my spread. I can draw things, of course, but sometimes it's also very nice that you can use the things you bought. And I can't draw this kind of beautiful flowers. I wish I could, but I simply can't. A little bit of color behind June. And June is for us still an ordinary month. Just school, children have school, just work. And then in July and August will be the month of freedom and holiday. And this is what I created. I hope you like it. I do. I think it's very nice in the purple and the flowers. And if you like it too, please give a like or leave something in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you next time, and that you have a very pleasant day. Bye bye!